beautiful contrast of autumn.
Hi, this is Paul Adams of ADAMSMADE. If you've been to the channel before, welcome back. If not, thank you for joining me. What I do is upcycle, refurbish and upcycle furniture. I just wanted to show you this latest piece. It's a client piece, it's not mine. And they want me to basically full bling it. So obviously it's an old Art Deco piece. It was a small dressing table. It's got, you can see that you can't see perhaps, but there's notches at the top missing where the mirror used to be. It's very low, it's very small, so I was wondering whether it used to have legs, but I can't really see any sign of it. It's got sort of metal studs for feet underneath that, so I think it was small. There's details on here, these little doors. It's a well-made little unit, but they're very dirty in there. It's got these detailing here that seem to be stuck on, and they don't really match the Art Deco sort of style. Either way, they're coming off. Client wants to strip those off, just wants to really make this thing colourful. So we're talking blues and gold inside and out. We're talking perhaps Dragonfly, new handles, a really bright piece. So this is going to be fun. They've actually even supplied this mood board of colours and ideas, so that makes my life a lot easier. So I know what we're going to do, I've just got to prepare it. So anyway, I'm going to get on with this. Stage one is just to fix a little bit. As I said, it's in good condition really. I've got to fill these little chocks at the back where the mirror used to be. I'll use an epoxy just to fill that. There are little, again, you can't see, you can see the top was in 3 planks, and there were cracks, separation cracks here, which I can try and glue and clamp, but I don't think it's actually spread. I think the wood's just shrunk over the years. So again, I probably need to just fill and epoxy fill those cracks to make it smooth. It's solid, I say it's not going anywhere, so it's all good that way. And then sort of bling up a little bit at the back to fix, but it's as I say, it's sound. It's just a case of cleaning it, stripping off the hardware, sanding it all down, and then just trying to liaise with the client to actually get the right colours and the right design. But I know what she wants is it to be pretty bright and blingy. So anyway, so you know, watch this space, and I'll get started. And like I said before, if you haven't done before, please like and subscribe, and I'll publish the rest of the video of the makeover a bit later. Thanks for watching.